Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Forester, Michigan, a small community in Sanilac County surrounded by farmland and natural beauty. Forester's history dates back to the 1800s, when settlers established farms and small businesses in the area. Over the years, Forester has grown while keeping its rural charm, making it a welcoming place for families and visitors. Locals enjoy the natural surroundings, community events, and the slower pace of life that small-town Michigan offers. Farming and outdoor activities continue to play a central role in life here. Whether you're here to enjoy the countryside, learn about its past, or simply take in the peaceful surroundings, Forester offers a quiet and welcoming retreat. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Forester, Michigan. Thanks for watching.